The Isetta is in final primer, ready to sand and do some paint work. Now on to the opal mantle, deck lid, and the doors. I got the doors stripped and chemical washed, because when you strip them you gotta clean them. You can see the blue. This one is original. This is the left door, it's original. The right door, you can see it's got white. Originally it was white, came off another car. This thing's had collision repair on it before. And it's got all kinds of dings. I mean, this thing's beat up. You can see where they've used a grinder. They've used a grinder to strip the paint off of the door. This whole area here is uglied up. Got one there, got one there. That'll all work out. The first phase on doing the underside is to seal off all the connecting body parts. Every place where moisture could get into the interior through body panel connections must be sealed, or else it'll just wick in moisture up underneath everything else. And a lot of these are spots where they've done patch panels and welded in new pieces. But yeah, this is a necessary part. All these gray areas right here where I've done the caulking, that is a required part. Of providing the proper product. The first stage of paint is now complete. I painted all the bottom side to include the engine compartment. Everything underneath has been sealed with sealer. It's all waterproof and coated with the white color, which is basically, this vehicle is white, but it has a two-tone red. And here's what I do on stuff like this. Right there. That's the stuff. Tintable. Put your color in it, make it the color you want it. This is base coat, clear coat. The color, the white, really has nothing. It's just pigment. So you have to put something over it to make paint out of it, which is clear. There's no way I'm going to put clear underneath here. This stuff. You put the color in here. This is your vehicle. This is your base. Gives it a vinyl. You know, I can put 3 or 4 mils of buildup on this in no time, because this Raptor stuff is so thick. I just crank out the needle in my spray gun and go for it. Does a great job.